Hi, are you tired of using the same repetitive vocabulary in your conversations? Would you like to impress your audience with your vast range of words and expressions? Are you ready to take your English skills to the next level? If so, look no further. I am Shadi, and in this video, I will take you on an exciting journey to enhance your English vocabulary. So, fasten your seatbelt and let's embark on this adventure together as we decode the secrets of enriching your English vocabulary like never before. If you have not subscribed to this channel, now will be a very good time for you to do so. You're welcome. Let's begin right with the first tip on how you can enhance your vocabulary, which is reading extensively. The more you read, the more likely you are to come across new and unfamiliar words. Continuous exposure to a wide range of vocabulary helps you to expand your word bank. By reading extensively, you encounter words in different contexts, which helps you to understand their meaning and usage. Alright? When reading extensively, you also encounter unfamiliar words, but the surrounding sentences and paragraphs provide clues to their meaning. So, over time, you become better at inferring the meaning of new words from the context in which they are used. Okay? Secondly, if you're interested in enhancing your English vocabulary, you need to keep a vocabulary notebook. Whenever you come across new words, write them down in a notebook along with their meanings and example sentences. Reviewing these words periodically will help you to retain them in your memory. Okay? The act of physically writing down words in your notebook helps to reinforce memory. By actively recording new words in your vocabulary notebook, you engage in active learning. Active learning involves searching for words and using them in sentences, which is more effective than the passive methods of learning, such as reading and listening. The next practical tip on how you can enhance your English vocabulary is practice using acquired new words. It is essential to incorporate new words in your spoken and written communication. Consistently using new words in your conversations or writing helps to reinforce their meanings and also increases your ability to remember them. Okay? By using new words in context, you develop a deeper understanding of their usage and meaning, allowing you to apply them appropriately in different situations. Exploring new words often leads to discovery of synonyms, which are words with similar meanings, antonyms, which are words with opposite meanings, and homophones, which are words with the same pronunciation but different spelling and different meanings. This expands your vocabulary by providing alternative words as you express yourself in English. All right? The next idea on how to enhance your English vocabulary is play word games and puzzles. Engaging in activities such as crossword puzzles, word searches, and Scrabble can be fun ways to learn new words and also practice using them. Playing word games increases word recognition by exposing you to a wide range of words, including common and unfamiliar words. Word games often require you to associate words based on specific criteria, such as similar meanings or sounds, and this process of linking words together helps you to strengthen word connections in the brain, facilitating better recall and expanding your vocabulary. All right. Some word games require you to spell words correctly within a given set of letters or letters in a specific order. And this practice helps to reinforce correct spelling and exposes you to new words and their correct spellings. Word games may involve various word forms such as nouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, and this exposure to different groups of words allows you to expand your vocabulary. Next, on how to enhance your English vocabulary is use a dictionary or a thesaurus. Whenever you come across an unfamiliar word while reading or listening, look it up in a dictionary to understand its meaning and usage. A thesaurus provides synonyms, those are words with similar meanings, and antonyms, those are words with opposite meanings. And by using a thesaurus, you are able to discover alternative words and phrases that you can use instead of other words, and this expands your vocabulary. Another idea on how to enhance your vocabulary is use vocabulary building apps. There are many vocabulary building apps available that provide word games, quizzes, and flashcards that can help you expand your vocabulary. Many vocabulary apps adapt to the learner's level and progress, providing personalized suggestions and exercises based on the individual needs. This ensures that you only focus on the words that you need to improve on. All right? Most vocabulary building apps track your progress and they provide you with feedback on your performance. Therefore, you are motivated to keep learning English and you're able to expand your vocabulary. By implementing these 6 practical tips and techniques, you are now equipped with the tools to expand your linguistic horizons, express yourself with clarity and confidence, and ultimately unlock a world of endless possibilities. I hope this video helps. If you like it, subscribe for more English lessons. Bye.